Hi, this is Madiha and welcome to the Babe Movement. Let me introduce you to our new segment called Babe Talk. With us we have two guests here. We have Humaira Naseem, our expert, life coach and NLP practitioner, specializes in self-discovery. And we have Zainab here, HR specialist and human resources expert. So I am the founder, one of the founders of Babe Movement, and in our course and journey of helping many women empower themselves, we came across a lot of women who had a lot of emotional issues and a lot of thoughts and problems, and we thought, okay, why not have a platform where we can address all those issues? That is why we have our experts here. Some of the questions I get, Humaira, all the time is that women feel lost. This is the biggest, I think, statement that I get when I go to these, we have our workshops and we have women come and say that, you know, I feel lost, I don't know my purpose in life, and they feel underachieved, unaccomplished, and they feel like they're living a very purposeless life. So why do you think they feel this way?
Actually, it is the feeling of being lost is because you have lost the sense of direction in your life.
Okay.
And the purpose in life. So if you are trotting on a road that's meant for your family, your children and kids, then somewhere down the lane you forget your own journey and your passion. So I believe that because women, they are the nurturing kind of figure.
Yes.
That's why they tend to lose their focus, the truest passion that they have, and they need to explore that.
So how can they find themselves?
In order to find themselves, they have to go deeper within themselves. They have to know who they are and what they are good at. And sometimes we don't know what we are good at. Sometimes our friends come and tell us that, you know, you are good at this.
Yeah.
They know that what is their strength,
Yeah.
and not only their strength but also their weakness, so that they can evolve and become into a person that would give them fulfillment in life.
So they have to go back and try to understand who they are and what they're all about, instead of just giving 100% to the family, to the kids, to the husband, to the entire household. And somewhere down the line they think that motherhood, that's what we're supposed to be good at, because everything takes a backtrack.
Motherhood is a part of a woman nurturing a child.
Yeah.
So it is, but it's not the only thing. So that belief limits us when we just focus on in just one direction. Taken a professional career and then they just land into taking care of the family, they feel frustration. There's a built-in frustration, and then there comes this when they just hold back their own achievements, and they have to, and that's part of the process thing.
You don't have to choose one.
You don't have to choose one. If you are good
very
mother,
gracefully, yes.
you can embrace both of the thing,
Yeah.
and equally.
And I think society likes to put everybody in a box.
Exactly.
So, you know, either you're a mom or you're a career woman. You can't be both. You can't possibly be good at both things. It's hard, but it's probably possible for a lot of people.
Yeah, it is possible, provided that you carve your own way.
Yeah.
So we have to expand our horizon, think of other venues where we can use our talents up, because see, if you want to be, even if you want to be a good mother, you have to evolve and improve yourself so that you can inspire children to become better. So, some people have this limiting belief that learning ends once you marry.
Yeah.
Learning is a continuous process, may
Yes.
it be in any field.
Yes.
Uh, so
I think you can learn up until you're 90. Who says like you have to
Yeah.
be out of university and
Yeah.
that's it? It doesn't end there, right? Like,
I knew people who were at 80 and they were learning computer science. They were learning coding.
and why not?
And yeah, why?
it improves our brain health. It
Yeah.
builds neural connections that help you in later. You go down the hill as you grow
Yeah.
as you grow old, but
But your
with
mind needs to expand.
but your intelligence and your intellect grows.
Yes.
So this is something that you need to work on in life, so that you have a sense of fulfillment. You have a legacy and impact.
So they can feel more fulfilled and better about themselves as they find their purpose in life and like
Exactly.
who they are and what they're about and what they're good at. As you said, the strengths and weaknesses.
Exactly.
So ultimately it comes down to that. They have to start self-exploring themselves.